Using the past perfect tense for rideshare drivers. As a rideshare driver, you may have already learned the importance of using the past perfect tense to describe the sequence of events that occurred before a certain point in the past. This tense can help you clearly communicate to your passengers what happened prior to their ride or any specific event. Let's explore how to use the past perfect tense in various situations as a rideshare driver. One common scenario where you might use the past perfect tense is when explaining why you were running late to pick up a passenger. For example, you could say, "I had already dropped off another passenger before I received your request, which is why I arrived a few minutes behind schedule." In this sentence, "had already dropped off" is the past perfect form of the verb, to drop off. Another situation where the past perfect tense comes in handy is when recounting any incidents or accidents that occurred during your previous rides. For instance, you might say, "I had never encountered such heavy traffic before, but I managed to find an alternate route to get you to your destination on time." Here, "had never encountered" conveys the idea that the traffic situation was a first-time experience for you. Furthermore, you can use the past perfect tense to explain any last-minute changes or cancellations that affected your availability as a driver. For example, you could explain to a passenger, "I had already accepted another ride request when you requested a ride, so I had to decline your ride." This sentence shows that the prior ride request was the reason for turning down the subsequent one. In conclusion, mastering the past perfect tense as a rideshare driver can enhance your ability to provide clear and concise explanations to your passengers. By using this tense effectively, you can communicate the sequence of events leading up to a specific moment in the past with ease and accuracy. Remember to practice using the past perfect tense in various contexts to become more proficient in your communication skills as a driver.